Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the report builder report, which is a paginated report. So when there's a multiple parameters on your report, it's nice to have those parameters values showing on the report as well. So what does that mean, right? So for example, if I run my report here, which has the parameters, so if I run it, let me put the date here, 26, view report. So for example, this is on the print layout. So print layout. So if I click again, it's going to go to the original preview. So preview mode, here you go. So I have the report parameters on the top. So when the user selects the report from the parameter, their value is supposed to be showing just like these. So whatever the year they select is going to show here. The regions they selected is going to show here. Same with the products. This is the product asterisk or star represents all, and the start and end date. And if there is more, then it's better to provide them here as well, which helps when the user prints the report. They already know what parameters have been selected. So this is very helpful. So and it is simple to implement. So let me go to design view to show you that. So I'm going to make some room here. I think this room should be enough. So let's stay with it. All right, so I'm going to insert a table here quick. And all we need is two columns. So the third column, I can delete it. So this is going to group. You can see this is a grouping. We don't need to group this. All we need is 5 or whatever number of parameters you have, that many number of rows, and then provide the parameter values to the right. So first off, you get rid of this grouping, otherwise you'll have multiple columns. So go down here on the details pane, click on it, and then there's a delete group option, and delete group only. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, so as you can see, the grouping has been gone, right? Because you don't see that bracket here no more. So all right, with that, now let's go ahead and insert a couple rows. Insert row below, one more. Let's do a couple more. Insert below. Okay, I think that should be good. Okay, so let's move this up, shrink this a little bit. Okay, so we can fit that, right? So now on this first column, you're going to provide the name of all the parameters you have. Okay, all the parameters, and I'm going to type that in here. All right, I'm almost done typing in here the parameter name to the left. So I have all these names. Now on the right, I need to provide what is the value the user going to select, whatever that it's going to show here, right? So right click on the expression effects, and up here equals, click on the parameters and click on the list of the parameters is going to show here, and you're going to double click on this parameter. Okay, let's do the other one. Reason, I'm going to do the same expression, parameters, click on reason. And for some reason, this adds that as 0 in the parentheses. So I don't understand. We don't need that. Okay, otherwise that's going to throw sometime error. So expression again, products. So products, I have little bit tweak I need to do on the products, because user is not going to type the whole thing. So it's going to do if the products, which is if this product is equals to star, then all else whatever the products they type in, so that one or select that one. That's what that is. Okay, I misspelled that, double I. Okay, there you go. So now the start date, I'm going to do the, oops, let's right click again here on the cell. Okay, hold on. Why I'm not right click an expression. There you go. Parameters, start date, okay. Same thing in the end date, parameters, end date, okay. All right, so now all the parameter values have been added, and you can run it to test it and see if there's any error. Okay, we're getting an error. Tablix 11 is invalid. The value of the data set name property is missing. Okay, what that is let me show you. So if I click on this anywhere on the cell, you'll get this border, and right click on that to get the tablix properties. And over here on the data set, it is empty, and because of that reason, that is throwing an error. What this is saying, in even though we have just just type in the parameter name, it's needed data set name. So click on the drop down and select your data set, which is in my case is a sales data set here. Say okay. Let's give it a run, and again it is throwing error. So what is this error now? Okay, so I think the reason here the error we're getting is because of this field, so expression. So what this is if the reason user selects multiple reasons, then you need to join them, and over here we haven't said that. That's why we're getting that error. So let's join this parameter value with quote, comma, quote, and close it. So whatever the user selects, if more than one parameter value in the region, this is going to be concatenated with comma. So it's joining. That's what it needs. So hopefully this will fix. Let's give it a run. Again, another error. Every time there's something new error. Overloads resolution failed because no accessible if this number arguments. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, now I see the issue here, which if I go and look into this product expression, so what I did initially, that was my mistake here. So I'm saying if parameter product, and I added comma there instead of equal. That was the issue, and it is saying that not invalid number of parameters. So if parameter product value equals to star, then show it all, else this one. So now this should fix the issue. That was my mistake here, so sorry about that. So let's continue here, say okay, and if I run it again, there you go. So no error. So let's select the date here, any date you want to try it out, view the report, and there you go. So this was my initial build, and this is what we're building right now. As you can see, I'm getting all the parameters, and this is coming date in time, which we can fix that as well and align them in the left one. Let's do that quick. So first, let's fix the size, make it 8. Arial is good. Double click on the date and a number, date, and fix the date to just not to show the time here. So this format I'm going to select, double click on the other one, number, date, and this date and time. I mean, remove the time, just the date, run it and do it again. Another date here, 120 2626. Okay, I'm going to select multiple reasons this time, so you'll see the difference. View the report. So there you go. So we have, okay, again I missed to align the left align. That's fine. You can left align, right align, center, you can do that. So it's showing all products because I selected star. That means it's all, and all the regions I selected is east, north, and south, east, north, and south, and there's a 2025 year, and this is the date I selected. So this is how you do it. Some people, they provide that in these in the text box, but I would recommend them in a tabular format. That way their alignment are proper. Okay, so hopefully you like my video. So hopefully this helps, and if you like my video, please like and subscribe, and thanks again for watching. Have a great day.